This is a demonstration of my contactor and relay control motor board. So in this situation, we're going to imagine that the garage is flooding, and that's played by the bucket here, which has a float switch in it. And when the bucket fills up, the float switch activates and the different lights will turn on or off. The floor lights are all going to turn off at one point, and then the house lights will turn on at different times. You have a house light right here, which is played by Christmas lights for this demonstration, and you have a house light right here, which is played by a tall lamp in the corner. The floor lights are played by this lamp over here and a small lamp on the floor right here. Okay, we have reset the bucket for proper operation. The circuit's plugged in. Okay, so turn on the circuit. As you can see, the green lights are activated and the floor lamps are also activated, which means there is no flooding and neither one of the motors are on. Let's test the manual operation of the motors really quick. Manual operation of motor 2. So that's pumping the water out of the bucket and into the clear container. Manual operation of motor 1, which is much smaller than motor 2, and it is now continuing to pump water out of the bucket and into the clear container. So now let's test everything in auto mode here. It's okay, popcorn. Okay, now we are going to flood the garage. Oh no, the garage is flooding! Help! The first motor has already been activated, and you can tell by the red light. In about 10 seconds or so, the second motor is going to activate, and it'll turn off the green light, and it'll turn on the Christmas lights. Okay, so maybe longer than 10 seconds. There we go. Now we have both motors that are currently pumping water out of the bucket and into the clear container, trying to avoid a disaster for all of mankind. When the motors have pumped water out of the bucket, everything will turn off at once. The 2 red lights, the Christmas lights, and the 1 light that is currently on. When those turn off, the floor lights and the green lights will turn on, signaling that a disaster has been averted. Stop it.